morning. Just woken up in this gorgeous camping site. All we can hear here, all around us, is the sound of nature. Look at that. So pretty here. Some cows over there. There's a cow staring at me. True. Look at that. But it's so pretty. So yesterday we were a bit all over the place. Things didn't quite go according to the plan, or at least to the plan we had. So we had to improvise. But it was a lovely day. We had a lovely day. I really enjoyed going to the slate mines, and it was a well worth visit. The beach in the afternoon as well, so pretty. Oh my god, we had so much fun yesterday. But today we're back on schedule. The weather is holding up. It's already looking very promising. So let's get started.
That's what the cows are doing.
Surrounded by cows on our last day of this camping trip. What do we think?
I think I like the taste of coffee.
Hey, leave the coffee alone. Leave the coffee alone. But hey, what do you think? Very good. You will definitely do again. Orca has been a very good trip companion. Treated us good. We had some incidents last night
By me nearly killing them
where Rebecca almost killed her parents,
with
By-
heart attacks. Yeah.
giving us some scary moments. But it was all good. It was all good and good experience, and we're really glad that we did this trip. But it's not over yet. We're almost at the end. We have a full day ahead of us, and then the trip back to Brighton to return Orca to her home, and then we're finally gonna hit the road to go to our home. So let's get it going. But let's see the cows first.
On the road again, we set off to our first destination of the day, just a quick 40-minute drive from our campsite. The morning sun was shining and the warmth made it one of the most beautiful drives we ever experienced. We cruised through breathtaking natural landscapes, each scene more stunning than the last. As we neared our destination, the sight of the waterfalls took our breath away. However, Thais and Rebecca had their own unique take on what beauty means.
Look at that beautiful, gorgeous waterfall. My god. Stunning. Gorgeous. That's right.
Beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
I am gorgeous. Let this be.
I am also gorgeous.
Yeah, gorgeous. That is okay. Right, Becca?
Yeah.
I want to see who's going to be the gorgeous to go up there.
We just arrived to today's destination, and we came to see that gorgeous waterfall that you saw coming down. But look at how pretty this whole area is. So this is where we come today. You can hear the waterfall, and it's just behind those trees. And it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Most stunning nature all around.
This waterfall, with a difficult name to be pronounced by a non-Welsh speaker, stands at 240 feet or 74 meters high, and it is the highest waterfall in Wales and England. The falls are fed by streams flowing off the Burwing Mountains. This little known mountain range covers 93 square miles or 240 square kilometers, and the highest point, Cadair Burwing, stands at an impressive 2,723 feet or 830 meters high.
Look at this pretty rock.
Oh, it's cold. The water's cold. I don't know why I keep doing it.
And the waterfalls. Stunning. It is absolutely stunning. There are no words to describe with fairness how pretty this place is. It's a must stop for anyone who wants to enjoy nature at its best. And we're glad we did it. We're glad we came.
It's like Coca-Cola falling down everything around it.
Most of the Burwing mountain range is access land, where you have the right to walk across the open hill. To the right of the waterfalls is one of the footpaths that leads straight to the summit of the falls and is a great starting point for an ascent of the main Burwing Ridge. However, we decided that due to lack of time, we should stick to the secondary pathway that leads to a shallower part of the mountain, but with equally stunning views of the waterfall.
Look at the size of this tree that has fallen. And look at the size of those roots. Amazing, astonishing, beautiful, all the above. Mighty nature, that's all I can say.
Remote and undisturbed, this area is a haven for wildlife. Extensive tracts of heather, moorland and blanket bog still exists here, as well as sheepwalk, pasture and bracken slopes. Some of the rare species of birds that can be seen here includes hen harrier, merlin, peregrine, red and black grouse, which add life and movement to a landscape where people are rare visitors.
coming down all these slippery pathways, footways. It's gonna be tricky, but absolutely gorgeous and well worth a visit. Well worth a visit. It's not wasted time. And the journey to get here, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning. It's just breathtaking everywhere you look. Mid Wales, North Wales, absolutely. I wish you had more time. I wish we had more time to stay around here and enjoy. But as all good things comes to an end, it's now time to go. Time to depart.
As we descended the mountain, I couldn't help but feel incredibly lucky to witness such a breathtaking beauty in a landscape rich with history. This area is teemed with evidence of prehistoric and medieval land use, including ancient field systems, farmsteads, and centuries-old lead mining activities. The tracks and paths we walked on have been used for generations, and today we are fortunate to tread these ancient routes not to toil the land but to marvel at nature in all of its glory. And before we left for good, I had to turn back and capture what probably is one of the best scenes of this video.
Let's go. And just like that, our journey through Wales comes to an end. But not without one last look at the breathtaking landscapes of Snowdonia. A reminder that beauty often waits when you slow down. We leave the Welsh hills behind, carrying memories that will stay with us for years to come. This chapter closes, but many more adventures are waiting. As for Worka, our trusted companion, it's goodbye for now, though we know our paths will cross again on the next camping trip. If you enjoyed coming along for the ride, don't forget to hit subscribe. There's plenty more to discover together. But until next time, safe travels!
If there's rain outside, there's sun within. Car camping.